Community heroes often need to navigate difficult terrain to reach vulnerable communities. Nobody knows this better than Clint McLean from the Ubuntu Army, whose charity work requires a reliable and capable vehicle to handle challenging conditions and heavy loads. Clint's trusty but aging Land Cruiser takes him to communities in need, but the vehicle has seen better days. Luckily, Team RAW 4x4 were able to help. Roger Lassen, Managing Director of RAW 4x4 Australia, met Clint when he was in South Africa and got to learn more about the Ubuntu Army's community upliftment projects. After spending some time together, Roger and the RAW 4x4 South Africa team recognized that his vehicle had to be ready for all kinds of terrain and sponsored a full RAW 4x4 suspension kit to equip the vehicle for any road condition.
RAW 4x4 is proud to be able to assist community heroes navigate difficult terrain to help those in need.